天乐园庆祝奇妙季节的同时，我们很高兴为大家介绍一位特别嘉宾，他将会为我们点亮圣诞树，以一个奇幻的晚上，引领大家投入美妙的梦想之中。
Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays! As we celebrate the magic of the season here at Hongkong Disneyland, it is our pleasure to welcome a special guest who will help us light our holiday tree and lead the way for all of our dreams on this magical evening.
Good evening, everyone. Please welcome Casey, who's here to help us light our holiday tree. Everyone, you can join in as well. Now close your eyes, and while our eyes are closed, let's all make a wish. Did you make a wish? Okay, everyone, open your eyes. And now, Casey, copy my movements, and let's see if our wishes come true. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Now on, our troubles will be out of sight.
As we celebrate the magic of the holidays here at Hongkong Disneyland, we'd like to share a gift with each and every one of you.
It's the gift of song, which in its own special way reminds you one and all to cherish the magic of the season. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the bright and glistening once again with candy canes and silver lamps glow.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol you sing right within your heart.
A magical world. The season has been so very
hopes and wishes for the holidays.
But perhaps one of the most universal wishes of all is the wish for peace and love. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. To take each moment and live each moment in peace eternally. Let
heart. A loving act can change a life.
And a song of hope can be a ray of light for people everywhere.
Join us now as we raise our voices with a hope for joy and cheer, the most magical wish of all.
Happy holidays, everyone!
Thank you for joining us.
We hope all of your wishes come true.
And please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Hongkong Disneyland. 圣诞快乐！
多謝你嚟臨感受節日帶嚟嘅歡樂，請繼續留到欣賞迪士尼星夢光榮之旅，一齊為生命喝彩。亦希望大家繼續將心裏面嘅奇妙魅力照亮身邊。